Hey there! Ever wondered how social media could reveal hidden insights about mental health? Today, we're exploring a revolutionary dataset called Holistix, a treasure trove of 1,420 Australian mental health forum posts that's reshaping how we understand wellness. Let's break down how researchers are decoding 6 critical dimensions of well-being: physical, emotional, social, intellectual, spiritual, and vocational. Mental health challenges affect over 1 billion people globally, yet access to care remains a crisis. Stigma, resource gaps, and a shortage of professionals create massive barriers. But here's the twist: social media is a goldmine of unfiltered human expression. People share their struggles, hopes, and emotions online, raw data that could transform how we support mental health. The question is, how do we turn this chaos into clarity? That's where Holistix steps in. Developed by researchers in India and Hong Kong, Holistix focuses on posts from Beyond Blue, Australia's leading mental health organization. But this isn't just about collecting text. It's about interpreting it. Each post is meticulously annotated to map specific phrases to one of 6 wellness dimensions. For example, a post like "I'm exhausted and can't sleep" would be tagged under physical health, while "I hate my body" might span emotional and physical domains. Here's the technical meat. Researchers didn't just label posts as positive or negative. They created a detailed framework to identify nuanced patterns. Think of it as a detective game. Each word is a clue. For instance, the phrase "feeling alone" points to social issues, while "burned out at work" leans into vocational stress. Annotations also highlight specific phrases to explain their relevance, like tagging "sleepless nights" as a physical health indicator. But it's not always straightforward. Ambiguity and sarcasm complicate things. A post like "Oh, my healthy routine of 2 hours of sleep is working great" might sound positive, but the context clearly signals physical distress. The team used perplexity guidelines to resolve such cases, prioritizing literal meaning unless tone or context explicitly suggests otherwise. What did they uncover? Social challenges, like loneliness and relationship struggles, were the most frequently mentioned. But the real breakthrough came when testing AI models. Researchers compared traditional machine learning, like SVMs and logistic regression, with advanced transformers like BERT and GPT-2. The results? Transformer models, especially MentalBERT, a BERT variant fine-tuned for mental health data, outperformed others. On average, MentalBERT achieved 72% accuracy, excelling at detecting emotional and spiritual struggles. But accuracy alone isn't enough. The study used LIME, local interpretable model-agnostic explanations, to make AI decisions transparent. For example, MentalBERT highlighted phrases like "feeling overwhelmed" or "needing support" as key predictors. This explainability is critical when AI is used for something as sensitive as mental health. So why does this matter? Holistix isn't just a dataset, it's a blueprint for personalized mental health tools. Imagine an app that uses social media insights to flag early distress signals or recommend resources. Or a clinician's tool that deciphers patient struggles beyond traditional surveys. The dataset is publicly available on GitHub, inviting global collaboration to adapt it for diverse cultures and communities. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about AI's role in mental health, hit subscribe for more deep dives into tech and science. What other wellness dimensions would you like to see explored? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.